Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will talk about variables in Python. So what is variables? Variable is a named location which is used to store data or values in the memory. But when we talk about programming language, a variable is a container for some values. First, we need to assign some names to the variable and later we can use it to refer in the program. We can always store values for different data types in a variable. For example, we can store values that can be integer or it can be float value or it can be a string of words or different kinds of values. So for storing values in variable, first we need to give some name for variable. For example, I am giving variable name is my value and then equal to for assigning some value to the variable. For example, 100. So I have written my value equals to 100. Here my value is a container which is having the value 100. Right? When I call my value and press enter, it give me 100 because my value is equal to 100. Okay, so this is all about variables. I hope you understand the variable concept. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.